Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting that Microsoft worked on in secret that pretty much nobody knows about. And it finally got probably, put aside, and they decided not to go there or not to do it. In 2024, Microsoft worked on a project called Aion, and it's a interesting take on an operating system for PCs, and it was basically a Copilot OS based on Microsoft Edge, and they were working on that. Wanted to push this as a an option for users. It was supposed to be capable of running Win32 apps, but from the cloud. And this reminds me a lot of Chrome OS, a mostly cloud based operating system that is, running Android basically. And it's actually running through a Chrome browser, Google Chrome browser. So it seems to be an equivalent that Microsoft tried to do and push to computers at some point. It was vastly different from Windows 11 itself. And every time you do something, it would, of course, go directly to the web through the Edge browser and give you whatever you wanted to do. It seems to have been abandoned at some point, but it would have been nice to, have a few tests versions. And actually, I will share a link to a Windows latest article that does have in the article embedded a YouTube video where you can check the operating system itself in action. So whatever decision they took to, decide to push this and say, nope, we're not going to go there. And, it shows you, and a lot of people tell me, well, they're not working on this, they're not doing that, they're not working on Windows 12. You don't know. We didn't know they were working on that. So, you got to be careful. Internally at Microsoft, there's a lot of things happening that are not out there and we don't know about. So we came close to getting a Copilot OS for PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.